Hi friends, we're going to review lesson Math Box page 9 point or lesson 9.4, page 229 in your math journals. Question number 1 says, write the name of this shape. It is, you could say it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, so we know that is a quadrilateral, but you could also say that it is a rectangle. And I bet many of you might choose the rectangle because we might be a little bit more familiar with that word. But you could also use the word quadrilateral for that one. Number 2 says divide this shape into 2 equal parts. You know, when I look at that, I see all of those small squares. I'm going to just count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 small squares. And if I was to have 12 cookies and share them with my friend, that means that they would get 6 cookies and I would get 6 cookies. So I'm going to try to divide this shape and have each part have 6 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I divide right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think we will have it. Let's double check ourselves. The bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, we got it. We divided that into 2 equal parts, or we divided it into half. Number 3, write less than, greater than, or equal. 341 is less than 431. 202 is greater than 199. 511, they are equal to. 989 is greater than 899. Solve, show your work. So our unit here, when I think of you are all friends. Friends. Now I've got 6 minus 8. Is it more on top or more on the floor? More on the floor, gotta go next door. So I'm going to borrow from the 8, it becomes a 7. This can become a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. My correct answer there is 58. Number 5. Compare the shape in problem 1 to a square. How are they alike? How are they different? So this is a rectangle. How is it like the square? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. The rectangle and a square each have 4 sides. A way that they are different is that a square sides are all the same, but a rectangle has 2 longer sides. So let's write that down. I'm going to grab my text here and I can type it out for you. They both have 4 sides. And we could even say, and 4 right angles. They have both of those things. The square has 4 sides the same length. The rectangle has 2 sides which are longer. Friends, good job with your math work. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the super effort. Have a great day.